Well, hello and good morning to episode 30 of DIVE'S Social Distancing Omelette series. Today we are going to make a bacon and cream spinach omelet with grated Parmigiana Reggiano as a garnish. We have 4 slices of bacon, 2 to go inside the omelet, 2 to go outside the omelet. This is Suke bacon. It's a heritage pig that is quite delicious. I have pre-made the cream spinach, the Parmigiana Reggiano, and Kerrygold butter. Jumbo eggs were back in stock, so I'm using only 2 jumbo eggs. So let's get started. Okay, today's omelet's going to be a little time consuming. So what I've done is taken a piece of aluminum foil, put it on the tray. I put the bacon on a wrap, and now I'm going to cook this in the toaster oven on hot broil for about 15 to 20 minutes. And of course I'm going to be checking it along the way and probably flipping it. I'm not going to time lapse or show this whole process because it's just bacon. While the bacon is cooking, I'm going to just crack the 2 jumbo eggs into a bowl. Always crack your eggs on a flat surface, not on the rim. You'll have less chance of breaking shells to put in the omelet. Okay, now I'm going to keep grating some Parmigiana Reggiano. This is a very hard cheese, but once you get it started, it goes pretty well. And a little more. If you put some on the inside to just give a little extra creaminess, and some on the outside. Woohoo! Look at that goodness. That's cheesy goodness. We're going to check on the bacon. Wow, doesn't that look good? We're about halfway through our cooking time. So what I'm going to do now is just turn it over to let the underside see some light of day. So I'm going to be collecting all the bacon fat afterwards off camera to use for other cooking purposes, because as opposed to chicken fat, with bacon fat, save your chicken bacon fat, save away, save your bacon fat, yo. Okay, and that's going to cook for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Unfortunately, I got a phone call and I stepped away from the bacon for a second, but it's still cooked up nice, perfectly straight. I'm putting it on a piece of paper towel to just dry it off and start to prepare the rest of the omelet. Okay, with the pan heating up on low, I will melt about 2 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter and grease the pan and use the excess for beating the eggs, making them fluffier. Now, while the butter is melting, I'm going to reheat the cream spinach. In another frying pan. Okay, so the butter is nice and melted and is nicely coated. I'm going to whip my eggs and get them nice and frothy. And in a Suke bowl, put the eggs into the frying pan. And of course, then I'm going to dome them up. Now I'm going to check on the cream spinach, which is looking nice. It's actually done. All the cheese has loosened up. So I'm going to get a bowl and plate this off to the side. And just for some shits and giggles, I'm going to show this a little extra love and melt some of the Parmigiana Reggiano on the inside of the cheese. Okay, let's check on the egg again. That's looking beautiful, nice. Let's go for a flip. Just make sure none of the edges have stuck. That wasn't as nice as I hoped. I needed a little more butter down there. But we make the best of it. Alrighty, now I will take the cream spinach with the Parmigiana Reggiano. Spread that out. Bring it all the way up to the edge. Close to the edge. Just by the omelet. Take some more of the Parmigiana Reggiano. Take 2 slices of happy smiley face bacon. Put them there. And then go for the flip. Close nicely. Just gonna let that heat up a little bit. Get everything to solidify in itself. Okay, let's check on the omelet. That's looking beautiful. So beautiful. Plate it up. Make it nice. I always forget to turn off the flame. Take the other 2 pieces of bacon. Plate it around. A little pinch of Parmigiana Reggiano on top. Now, isn't that beautiful? That is a work of art. Now I'm going to go in for the bite. Okay, so this is the finished omelet. You can see the bacon coming, the cheese, and the cream spinach with the extra 2 slices of bacon on the end. And I'm going to go for a bite. I want to get everything into my mouth. Come on, come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oh, the bacon doesn't want to cooperate. Get on my fork. The bacon is delicious. And creamed spinach. What can you say? There's nothing wrong with creamed spinach. I know what I'm having for breakfast. What are you gonna have? Have a great day.